If you've been thinking about how to sell nails online, you're on the right track. The beauty industry is booming, and there's a growing demand for unique and high-quality nail products. Whether you're a nail artist looking to reach more customers or an entrepreneur eager to dive into the beauty market, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about selling nails online on platforms like Shopify. And by the way, the first step to selling nails online is setting up your e-commerce store. And the best platform for building websites is Shopify. Now, I have a special offer for you. If you would like to get your site up and running and you would like to get your first month of Shopify for just $1, make sure to use my link down in the description of this video. Doesn't cost you anything and you get your first 1 month for just $1. So take advantage of this offer and let's get started with the video. Now, one of the most important aspects of your nail business is the quality and variety of the products that you offer. Now, there are several types of nails you can sell, including acrylic nails, gel nails, and press-on nails. Each type has its own unique appeal. Acrylic nails are known for their strength and durability, making them a popular choice for customers who want long-lasting nails. They typically range in price from $10 to $30 per set, depending on the design and quality. Gel nails are favored for their natural look and flexibility. They provide a glossy finish and are usually priced between $15 and $35 per set. Press-on nails are perfect for customers who want a quick and easy application. They come in various designs and can be customized with prices generally ranging from $10 to $25 per set. Now, offering a wide variety of nail products will help you attract a diverse customer base. High-quality products will encourage repeat purchases and help build a loyal customer base. Understanding your target audience is crucial for the success of your nail business. Knowing who your customers are will help you tailor your products and marketing efforts to meet their needs and preferences. Start by creating a detailed buyer persona. These personas should represent your ideal customers and include information such as age, gender, lifestyle, and preferences. For example, younger customers might be more interested in trendy and colorful nail designs, while older customers might prefer classic and elegant styles. By identifying your target audience, you can create products that appeal to their tastes and preferences, increasing your chances of making sales. Creating an attractive and user-friendly online store is the foundation of your online nail business. Shopify is an excellent platform to consider for this purpose. It offers a wide range of tools and features to help you set up and customize your store quickly and easily. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, create your online store using Shopify. The platform provides a business name generator, logo maker, and various store themes to help you build your brand. Once you have your store set up, it's time to add your products. Create detailed product pages for each type of nail you sell. Include high-quality photos, descriptions, and prices. Make sure your product descriptions highlight the key features and benefits of each nail type. Next, explore the Shopify App Store to find apps that can help you create, promote, and deliver your products. There are thousands of apps available, including tools for photo editing, customer loyalty programs, and more. Choosing the right apps will help you enhance your store's functionality and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Selecting a payment gateway is another important step. Shopify offers more than 100 payment gateways options, ensuring secure and reliable transactions. This flexibility allows you to choose the payment methods that work best for your business and your customers. By following these steps, you can launch your e-commerce store on Shopify in just a matter of minutes and start selling your nail products online. Now, once your online store is set up, it's time to focus on marketing. Effective marketing is essential for attracting customers and driving sales, because if no one knows that your website exists, who is going to buy? Here are some strategies to consider. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for promoting your nail products. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are especially popular for beauty and fashion brands. Use these platforms to showcase your products with high-quality photos and engaging videos. Share tutorials, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes content to capture the attention of potential customers. Collaborating with influencers and beauty bloggers can also help you reach a wider audience. Partner with influencers who align with your brand and have a following that matches your target audience. They can create content featuring your products and share it with their followers, providing you with valuable exposure and credibility. Running targeted ads is another effective way to reach potential customers. Use Google Ads and social media advertising to target specific demographics and interests. Allocate a budget for ads to increase your visibility and drive traffic to your online store. Make sure to track the performance of your ads and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize your return on investments. Email marketing is another powerful tool for keeping in touch with your customers and encouraging repeat purchases. Build an email list by offering incentives such as discounts or free samples in exchange for signing up. Send regular newsletters with updates on new products, special offers, and helpful tips related to nail care and design. Pricing and profit margins. Setting the right prices for your nail products is crucial for your business's success. You need to find a balance between competitive pricing and maintaining healthy profit margins. Here are some factors to consider when pricing your nails. Calculate the cost of materials, including the nails themselves, packaging, and shipping. Factor in your overhead expenses such as website maintenance, marketing, and labor costs. Research your competitors' pricing to ensure that your prices are competitive. For example, press-on nails typically sell for $10 to $30 per set, depending on design and quality. To determine the optimal pricing for your products, use Shopify's free profit margin calculator. This tool can help you calculate the right price for your nails, ensuring you cover your costs and make a profit. Customer service and engagement. Providing excellent customer service is essential for building a loyal customer base and encouraging repeat purchases. Here are some tips for delivering outstanding customer service. Be responsive to customer inquiries and complaints. Whether customers reach out via email, social media, or live chat, make sure you respond promptly and professionally. Address any issues or concerns quickly to ensure a positive customer experience. Implement customer loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and encourage loyalty. Offer incentives such as discounts, free samples, or exclusive access to new products. Personalize the shopping experience by using customer data to offer personalized recommendations and promotions. Engage with your customers on social media by responding to comments, sharing user-generated content, and hosting giveaways or contests. Building a strong community around your brand will help you create lasting relationships with your customers and increase customer loyalty. Shipping and logistics. Efficient shipping and logistics are crucial for ensuring a smooth customer experience. Here are some tips for managing your shipping and logistics effectively. Partner with reputable shipping companies to ensure timely and safe deliveries. Research different shipping options to find the best rates and services for your business. Packaging is also important. Use sturdy and attractive packaging to protect your products during transit and enhance the unboxing experience for your customers. Consider offering flexible shipping options, such as standard and express shipping, to meet the needs of different customers. Offering free shipping for orders above a certain amount can also encourage larger purchases. So, in conclusion, selling nails online is a profitable venture with the right strategies in place. Offer high-quality products, know your audience, create a user-friendly online store, market effectively, and provide great customer service to build a successful online nail business. Shopify offers a powerful platform with all the tools and resources you need to get started and grow your business. And if you would like to get Shopify for just $1 for your first month, then make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.